Margadi month 27th day. Thiruppavi Pasaram 27. கூடாரை வெல்லும் சீர் கோவிந்தா உந்தன்னை பாடி பறைகொண்டு யாம்பெரும் சம்மானம் நாடு புகழும் பரிசினால் நன்றாக சூடகமே தோல்வளையே தோடே செவிப்பூவே பாடகமே என்றனைய பல்கலனும் யாமணிவோம் ஆடையுடுப்போம் அதன் பின்னே பால்சோறு மூடனை பெய்து முழங்கை வழிவார கூடி இருந்து குளிர்ந்தேலோர் ரெம்பாவாய். Andal is almost nearing the completion of Nonbu. So she is talking to Krishna and she is saying, Gudare Villam Sir Govinda, you are the person who win everyone. You win people's heart and you win the people who do not come to you, who do not like you, who are fight against you. You defeat them and as they are thinking of you always out of fear, like Kamsan and Ravanan, they all were always thinking of Lord Rama and Lord Krishna, because any time they will come and they will kill. That was going on in their mind. Sisubalan, he was also thinking of Kanna always. So you were in their thoughts always and you won them. So that is what meant by Kudare here. And we sing in praise of you by keeping or beating the drum. And now the time has come, you give us some gifts. And the gift should be the talk of the entire world. Then Krishna asks, yes, what do you want? Now Andal says, because she was not wearing jewels all these days, and she was not wearing new clothes all these days. She was very, very simple. She had all the restrictions and she stood for simplicity, and she even made her friends, the Thodigal, also followed the same. So they are all asking Krishna, okay, give us or get us the jewels for our ears, for our shoulders, for our legs, that is anklets. So she mentioned everything. Then she said, yes, you get us clothes also. And then we will wear all this and we will have a sweet which is made out of rice, and rice is cooked in milk and jaggery is added. So that is called Akkara Vadisal. So that will be made, and ghee in that Akkara Vadisal will be overflowing. That will be, when you eat, that ghee will be flowing in your hand. So that will even touches your elbow. So that will be, I guess that is so rich food. So she said, we'll make that and we will all eat together. And we sing in praise of you and you will be blessing us. This is what we want. We want you to bless us. So here through this Pasuram, Andal says the connection between Jivatma and Paramatma and merging of Jivatma with Paramatma. So Andal is completing the Nonbu, so she is very happy in this Pasuram and wearing jewels and good cloth. She preferred the clothes which were worn by Krishna and to be given to them. So even her father wanted the same thing. So he mentioned that in the Pasuram too. Uduthi kalainda pedaga adegal. That is, God, the dresses which were worn by God should be given to them as gift. Today's temple is Soundararaja Perumal Temple at Nagapattinam, Tamil Nadu. This temple is one of 108 Divya Deshams. Alvar performed Mangalasasanam on this temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Here the Moolava Perumal is Neela Megha Perumal, and he is with the Taya Soundaravalli. And Uchavamurti is Soundararaja Perumal. Perumal gave darshan to Brahma here. Markandeya Dhruva did penance here and had darshan of Perumal here. And Tayar was worshipped by the Nagas, the kings of Naga dynasty. This place has got the name Nagapattinam because of the Nagas worshipped here. That is, they are full of Nagas, so this place was known as Nagapattinam. And this place, that is this temple, was constructed and extended and developed by medieval Cholas and Nayakas. So we see the statues of the King Nayak inside the temple premises. He is found with his wife. Since this Perumal is very handsome, he got this name Soundararajan. Rajagopuram has 5 tier. This temple is surrounded by granite walls. All shrines and water bodies are found within the temple.